Faded black leather seats, saddlebags, and trim detract from the appearance and value of your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. But you can easily restore their deep lustrous finishes with Harley Black Leather Rejuvenator. Just apply Harley Black Leather Rejuvenator to a clean surface with a soft cloth and watch how quickly it works. Its black pigmented formula recolors and reconditions the leather very easily. The rule of thumb we live by is to rub it in and then buff till the cloth comes up clean. Then buff one more time just to be sure you got it all. That looks just as good as new, if not even better, doesn't it? Follow the application with Harley Leather Protectant for weatherproofing and protection from the elements. You can even use Harley Black Leather Rejuvenator for your favorite black leather jacket or boots. We wouldn't steer you wrong. When something works as well as Harley Black Leather Rejuvenator, you'll wonder how you got along without it. So don't get along without it. Get some today.